Compliance means to obey the rules and regulations applicable on the business organization. Organizations needs to comply with various laws and regulations, and non-compliance of same attracts heavy penalties and fines provided under the relevant statute. It is the duty of board of directors and management of company to ensure company's compliance with all rules and regulations, as timely compliance not only reduces risk and cost but also helps in building a better corporate image. Benefits of timely compliance: ensure cost savings by avoiding penalties/fines and minimizing litigation. Creates better brand image of company in the market. Enhances credibility/creditworthiness. Creates goodwill among the shareholders, investors, and stakeholders. Gives recognition as good corporate citizen. The compliance for a registered business varies depending upon the kind of business, size of business, and the nature of work. The compliance between a sole proprietorship vastly varies from the compliance for a private/public company. There are various types of companies, namely ROC compliance. ROC compliance majorly includes annual return filing, half-yearly filing of LLPs, and companies registered under Companies Act 2013. Preparation of ROC search report includes inspection of documents in ROC, filing of return of deposit, that is Form DPT-3 in case of existence of outstanding balance of deposit in financial statement. Accounting and payroll. It includes identifying and recording of accounting transactions, account payable and receivable services, payroll processing, preparation of ledger accounts, preparation of financial statement and financial reporting, budgeting, cash flow forecasting and cash flow statements. Change in service. Event-based compliance. The timing and accuracy of such a event-based compliance process depends upon the occurrence of kind and nature of transactions or event, such as change in address, /change of name, /change in object of the company, appointment and removal of director, and increase of authorized capital, etc. Compliance for such event-based activities are mandatory in nature. Non-compliance can lead to a substantial penalty in commercial terms and other penal results too. Therefore, it is necessary that the happening of such events get tracked and compliance done on time to avoid penalties and additional fees. There are several penal provisions for non-compliance. In case of default, the company as well as critical managerial employees are liable to penal stipulations. The risk of non-compliance with laws and regulations includes failure to comply with certain laws and regulations may lead to initiation of action by sectoral regulators. Failure to comply with environment law and policies could give rise to governmental and civil liability. Failure to keep accurate record and minutes of its decision-making procedure could subject the company and its board to liability to its shareholders and investors. Failure to keep proper books and records or non-compliance with the provisions of corporate laws and other relevant laws could also lead to fines and penalties. We at FileTrack will supervise and take care all the compliance adhering with Companies Act, LLP Act, and other relevant statutes, etc. as applicable to your business. As all our services are handled by seasoned professionals including chartered accountants, company secretaries, lawyers, and more. Want to know more? Visit us at filetrack.com. Drop us a mail or call us here.